Bricklaying for a mini-house foundation is a valuable traditional masonry skill. A model house built with real masonry techniques teaches proper construction principles. The concept of Casa and Mampostería reflects strong, durable brick construction methods. Mini-house projects are perfect for learning foundation basics in a practical way. Every successful masonry structure begins with a solid foundation. Planning is the first and most important stage of construction. Accurate measurements ensure the model house remains stable and proportional. The foundation layout defines the shape and size of the mini-house. A rectangular layout is the most common starting design. Marking the ground carefully helps maintain straight wall lines. Builders use string lines to outline the foundation perimeter. Corners must be perfectly square before excavation begins. The 3-4-5 method is often used to check right angles. Once layout is complete, excavation of the foundation trench starts. The trench depth depends on the size of the model structure. Even in miniature projects, soil must be compacted firmly. Compaction prevents settlement and cracking later. A base layer of gravel improves drainage and stability. Gravel should be leveled evenly across the trench. A thin concrete footing is then prepared. The concrete mix typically includes cement, sand, and small aggregate. Water is added gradually to achieve workable consistency. Formwork may be used to shape the footing neatly. The concrete footing must be level before it sets. A spirit level ensures horizontal accuracy. After pouring, the concrete must cure properly. Curing strengthens the foundation base. Once cured, bricklaying begins for the foundation walls. Bricks used for mini houses are smaller but follow real proportions. Mortar is mixed with fine sand and cement. In traditional methods, lime mortar may also be used. Mortar consistency should be smooth and workable. The first brick course is Th.